Hey guys, Sash the Guy here. Today I wanted to show you how to use tinybio with Seurat. Seurat is a popular analysis tool for single-cell RNA sequencing. So today I just wanted to show you how to work with our tinybio chat to make a single-cell RNA-seq analysis. So if we wanted to ask, hey, tinybio, do you know about Seurat? You just simply ask. And so what it's doing right now is that it is, so one, our chat knows about that it's specifically tuned for bioinformatics use cases. And so it knows, but when you're talking about Seurat, you're talking about single-cell RNA sequencing. It'll give you some information about how to use it and what it can do, the type of clustering, dimensionality reduction, things like that. But most importantly, you can ask it, hey, can you tell me how to do UMAP dimensionality reduction for Seurat? And so what it will do right now is that it will check the store, this document store, and it will produce for you the actual script, but it will reference the actual documentation as well. So the data that you're going to get back is going to be much more accurate, much more trustworthy than anything else that you would get back using any other large language model service. And so we can see here that looks like we get the, we do the identification of how the variable features, we scale the data, we perform PCA, and then we run the UMAP, and we get the plot. And it looks like here is that when it made this, is that it referenced the actual Seurat documentation here, which is very useful, so we know that there's a good way to trust this. So if we want to add, if we want to ask follow-up questions and things like, hey, what other types of analyses can I run after UMAP? What tinybio is going to do is that it's going to reference that same documentation, and it's going to give you some relevant information about what to do next. So you can do clustering, differential expression analysis, cell type identification, pseudo-time analysis, multi-omic analysis, gene set enrichment, spatial mapping, interaction analysis, subsetting, visualization, things like that. Again, we're really excited about the usage of these tools, and we're excited for you guys to try this with your single-cell RNA-seq workflows. Thank you.